YouTube! Yes, YouTube gang, you see what we are dealing with, you know. Dan back in the lab, you know. Yeah, man, gang, you don't know what time it is. We're there with none of that. Unruly boss! Drop a audio like a few days ago, they want to Two Face. Me see a preview on IG, boy. I say me nah lie. Think look like Popcaan find a hit. You see me? I say they wanna need a video from me here, man. But we want to hear the full track, see what I go on so we can make conclusions and all this stuff. You see me? So I don't want to be much longer, but before that, hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know, road to 10K. We're only 1,500 away, gang. So let's make that happen. We try to make that happen in February. Because we can't do it, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. So we're not going to be much longer. Popcaan, Two Face. Let's get it.
Yeah, me not rate no Two Face niggas.
We can't.
Me not rate no
How if we do that?
Two Face boy. Me not rate no Two Face niggas. Shot in your mouth like toothpaste boy. If you come close, family lot. Send enemy a family plot. No.
Boy, yo, Popcaan, you know. Popcaan is in his bag, and that's when they come to melodies. Yes, when they come to Popcaan and the melody god, you know. You use on yourself, man. Popcaan name bag.
Yeah,
go melodies.
Me not rate no Two Face niggas.
No, sir.
Me not rate no Two Face boy.
Never.
Me not rate no Two Face niggas. Shot in
Hey, your face like, what? Come in, that mafia. Me couldn't go on. We can know what time it is. Yes, man.
your mouth like toothpaste boy. If you come close, family lot. Send enemy a family plot.
Yeah.
No why you close. Pussy a rock. Any shot them a sing a the Uzi a rock.
Man say yo keep it Draco close. A family that. Send your family go family plot. Go on.
Send enemy a family plot. No why you close. Pussy a rock. Any shot them a sing a the Uzi a rock. No Two Face nigga. No rate no Two Face boy. No rate no Two Face nigga. Yo Josh.
This banger. Come true.
Some boys with me sell you. Know them a pussy. Me know things that mellow. See now them high them jealous. Me girl them pretty. My diamonds yellow.
Some boy easy if it's hell. Oh, me see it say them a pussy. You see me? Smile left. Hey.
Mellow.
Walla, I'm hear that.
Yo Josh, some boys with me sell you. Know them a pussy. Me know things that mellow. See now them high them jealous. Me girl them pretty. My diamonds yellow.
Yes, man, I see it now. Yeah, them jealous, man. Girl, them pretty, man, and with diamond jello. You see me? I say, yeah, man, some boy quick sell like them a crutches, you know. Watch you.
And Jada's a shine like a starlight. Pussy them bad mind the starlight. No woman glory for your light. Pussy every gate like standpipe.
Andrea shine like a starlight. You see me? They don't want to live the star life. Come true. Hey, me tell you, when Popcaan name blood clean bag, watch you.
And Jada's a shine like a starlight. Pussy them bad mind the starlight. No woman glory for your light. Pussy every gate like
You
standpipe.
know why you glory for your life, but every gate like stand. Watch you.
Man glory for your light. Pussy every gate like standpipe. Can't deny some man a champion. Can't deny some man
A champion.
Can't deny say we a champion.
Yes, man, they can't deny it in the mafia. They can't deny say we are champion. You know? You see me, no matter how much time we fall, we always rise again and we keep going. You see me, I say with a smile upon our face like nothing happen. Yes, man, let's go through.
Can't deny say man a champion. No
Two Face nigga. No Two Face boy.
No Two Face
Nigga. None. Go on, show.
like toothpaste boy. Prove them wrong again.
Yes.
Life of is sweet like the caramel.
Yes.
Any
Prove them wrong again. Life of is sweet like caramel. I'm to them no matter what they hey.
life of is sweet like the caramel. Enemy a fight again. I'm really win again. Success made them in a
Enemy a fight again. Dan Mafia win again. Now shame them.
hurt them. Can't put God pin in a dirt. Man's trap fi go kill his serpent. Devil laughing when we are got in a hurt. Man, you can't relate, cause we undefeated.
Yes.
Money a pack up even when me sleeping.
Bad man can't relate to this, you know. You see me, they can't relate to clean heartedness, you know. You see me, I say, go on, you.
We are got in a hurt. Bad man, you can't relate, cause we undefeated.
Yes.
Money a pack up even when me sleeping. He love the game and me won't believe it. Sing a verse and make some millies. Only nice say we are champion.
No, sir.
Can't deny say we are champion.
Can't deny say we are champion. They can't deny it. You see me? They not like it, you know, but they can't deny it. Go on, show.
Can't deny say we are champion. Them can't deny say we are champion.
No two-face nigga. We no rate no two-face boy. Oh, bad. Popcaan, bro. Popcaan, you in your bag in a nigga. I would kick you myself to this? Oh, Lord.
No two-face nigga.
Like two-face. Not two-face. No new face. Oh, I'm to you. Move up. You know we ain't no two-face boy. No two-face. Hey! Yeah. This a bad tone, man. Bad tone. Watch out. Yes. Yes. Room. Out to them.
Yo, Josh, Street.
Yes, man. Popcaan. Melody boss, Melody king. Go on, show. Yes, man. That is it. Yes, man. You have big up Popcaan, man. Melody king, man. I'm to you. Hey. Easy. That is it. Two-face. To you. No, we ain't no two-face, nigga. We no ain't no two-face, boy. We know you ain't no two-face, nigga. Shut in your two-face. Hey! Shut in your mouth like two-face, boy. Hey! Yes, man. Big up Popcaan, man. Melody king, man. Melody boss, man. Popcaan. Yo, so when Popcaan getting the melodies, you see me? Those hooks and catchiness. Popcaan is in his bag. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. Popcaan be in his bag when he... Yo, Popcaan kind of like GX. We like Drake. We like Drake with the melodies. We don't like Drake when he yak it tough. You see what I say? Yeah, man. We like Popcaan with the melodies, bro. We like Popcaan with Mark tough, too. You see me? I just have to say. You see me? Just the dynamic there. You see what I say? But yeah, man. It's a good look. Big up Popcaan, bro. Popcaan drop another banger pound way. Yo, this need a video just like kick you with myself. You see me? I say Popcaan is back in his melody. From in drop kick you with myself, I'm like, Popcaan back in his bag, bro. Popcaan back in his bag. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. So let me know anything about that one, eh? If you like, you show the artist some love and support, make you know, say, yo, I the dance, you know. You see me? I say, yeah, man, gang. My job bangers bound 8 top around the clock, you know. Yes, man. No problem. I get bangers a drop at 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. I go start drop. Round the clock, bro. I feel like we can't drop a video. I get a video on the head top. No joke. Yes, man. Hot tile. Yes, man. Don't dash water upon it. But yeah, man, gang. Till next time. You don't know what time it is. Like you show the artist some love and support. You then make you know so they dance and drop your requests so you get your shout out. Also, yeah, let's get a dialogue going. Let me know what your favorite part was, beats, licks, melody, all that good stuff. Let's get a dialogue going in the comment section. What else? Yeah, road to 10K, gang. Do the right thing. Hit the like or subscribe button. We're only 1,500 away. Let's accomplish this in February. We can do it, don't it? Yes, man. That give me a Valentine's gift. 1,500 subs. That more for my Valentine's. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, gang. You don't know. Till next time. You see me? Your boy, Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.